Visual Studio 2010 enables you to leverage your existing skills from within the IDE you know. To achieve simplicity, efficiencies were made in areas like team collaboration, built-in support for Model View Controller, MVC, and the inclusion of the new functional programming language, F#. New in Visual Studio 2010 is an editor built on Windows Presentation Foundation. The new editor is easily extended to meet your style. To further personalize your experience inside Visual Studio 2010, the IDE now supports multi-monitor capability. Now you can spread your windows across multiple monitors. The new Extension Manager makes it easy to find and install your favorite third-party extensions. Moreover, you can customize the Start page, which is built on Windows Presentation Foundation in Visual Studio 2010 by either installing third-party Start pages or modifying it yourself. In Visual Studio 2010, you will find major enhancements in usability and functionality for solutions that target the Microsoft SharePoint 2010 platform. Additionally, SharePoint 2010 has made the development experience easier as well. You will be able to build SharePoint solutions on non-server operating systems, such as Windows Vista SP1 and Windows 7, 64-bit versions only, and then easily deploy to a server for integration, testing, and production with Visual Studio 2010. New project templates have been added to quickly create or update SharePoint elements such as list definitions, list instances, site definitions, workflows, event receivers, business data catalog models, and content types. The new Server Explorer for SharePoint easily connects you to your SharePoint implementation and shows your sites, document libraries, lists, and other artifacts. Building and deploying SharePoint solutions is as easy as simply pressing F5. Your team will also benefit from the ease of being able to add SharePoint solutions to Team Foundation Server. Multi-targeting support in Visual Studio 2010 has been vastly improved. Visual Studio 2010 ships with reference assemblies for each version of the .NET framework. Simply put, reference assemblies contain only the metadata of the framework you are targeting. Consequently, they utilize less disk space. However, you will continue to have 100% accurate IntelliSense for the particular version of the .NET framework you are targeting. You will also be able to optionally target a later version of the .NET framework with a few clicks. Moreover, the debugger, profiler, and compilers support targeting multiple versions of the Common Language Runtime, CLR, helping you maintain the highest quality code. Deployment to production has become easier in Visual Studio 2010. This is because of improvements to Click Once. When using Click Once, you can deploy self-updating Windows and console applications that can be installed, updated, and run from a website. When developing Microsoft Office solutions, you can take advantage of enhancements such as deploying multiple Office solutions in a single Click Once installer and performing additional actions after the Click Once installer is finished. Deploying web applications to production used to be complex, but that is now a thing of the past. Called one-click deployment, Visual Studio 2010 simplifies for developers the process of deploying Microsoft ASP.NET applications to the production environment with a single click.